The Galaxy S24 series has been a massive hit so far, with Samsung receiving an overwhelming number of pre-orders. DxOMark's test results serve as an excellent starting point for those in search of a new smartphone, particularly if you prioritize a top-notch display and impressive camera performance. Speaking of displays, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra recently underwent testing by the DxOMark team and secured the top spot in the current rankings with an impressive overall score of 155 points. This outcome comes as no surprise, considering Samsung's reputation as a leading display manufacturer and supplier, surpassing competitors like LG Display and BOE. It's safe to say that Samsung's expertise gives the newly released Galaxy S24 series a significant advantage in terms of display performance. This advantage becomes even more apparent when we examine the display of the most affordable phone in the Galaxy S24 series. DxOMark has published the display test results for this device, and the standard S24 achieved a remarkably close score to the pricier S24 Ultra. To be precise, the standard Samsung Galaxy S24 received an overall score of 154 points, surpassing even Apple's most expensive phone currently available. For context, the iPhone 15 Pro Max achieved an overall score of 149 points. What's even more intriguing is that the display of the more affordable model outperforms the S24 Ultra in the touch and readability tests. The standard Galaxy S24 currently leads in these two aspects, scoring 170 and 163 points respectively. However, it's important to note that while it surpasses the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the difference in scores is not substantial. Therefore, opting for the pricier iPhone doesn't mean you won't enjoy a fantastic viewing experience compared to the cheaper Samsung Galaxy S24. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that the S24 Plus boasts a similar overall score to the standard model. So, what do you think about the display on the latest S24 lineup? If you've already got one, share your experience. Despite a few minor issues, with the vivid color display mode not being as vibrant as some users would like and the always-on display appearing slightly dim, the new LTPO Dynamic AMOLED 2X panels used in the Galaxy S24 series, along with Samsung's upgraded Vision Booster and the brand new adaptive color tone, are truly impressive. So, let me know your thoughts and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care.